Welcome to Castleburn Resort, a peaceful retreat tucked away in the heart of the breathtaking Drakensberg mountain. As you make your way through, you'll be greeted with this incredible mountain view, lush greenery, and the soothing sounds of nature all around you. Along the hiking routes, you'll come across a gentle river and flowing stream. The sound of the water adds to their tranquility, creating the perfect spot to pause, take in your surrounding, and enjoy a quiet moment in nature. Just outside the resort, the beauty of the Drakensberg continues to unfold. Rolling hills, dramatic landscape, and untouched natural scenery stretch out in every direction, making it a dream for nature lovers and photographers alike. From the moment you arrive, you are surrounded by wide open spaces, fresh mountain air, and a sense of calm that instantly makes you feel at ease. It is the perfect destination to disconnect from the busy world and reconnect with nature. As you head into reception, you're welcomed into a warm and inviting space. The friendly atmosphere and charming design give you a glimpse of the comfort and hospitality you can expect throughout your stay. Right near reception, you'll find a stunning dam overlooking the area. This peaceful spot is perfect for relaxing, enjoying the view, and capturing some truly beautiful photos, especially during sunrise or sunset. The bar area offers a cozy and relaxed setting, ideal for winding down after a day of exploring. Whether you're enjoying a refreshing drink or simply taking in the ambience, it's a great place to sit back and relax. The restaurant provides a welcoming dining experience where you can enjoy delicious meals in a comfortable setting. It is the perfect place to gather with family or friends and enjoy good food after a day filled with activities. On warmer days, the pool area becomes the perfect place to cool off, surrounded by stunning mountain views views, it is a refreshing and relaxing spot to spend your afternoon. The main bedroom is spacious, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed to give you a peaceful night rest. With its cozy atmosphere, it truly feels like your own private retreat. The main bathroom is modern and well equipped, offering both convenience and comfort. It's the perfect space to refresh and unwind after a long day of exploring. The second bedroom features two single beds, making it ideal for kids, friends, or additional guests. It's a comfortable and practical space that fits perfectly into the layout of the unit. Upstairs, the loft offers another cozy sleeping space with two single beds. It adds a fun and unique touch to the accommodation, especially for families traveling with children. The fully equipped kitchen allows you to enjoy a self-catering experience, giving you the freedom to prepare your own meals whenever you like. It's perfect for those who prefer a home-style stay. We have a lounge here that is comfy, cozy, perfect for family, and with fire pit during cold weathers. Step outside and you'll find a lovely outdoor area where you can relax, breathe in fresh air, and enjoy quality time with loved ones. It's a great space for morning coffee or evening relaxation. There's a lot of fishing dams on this resort. The fishing dam is a peaceful and quiet spot perfect for anyone who enjoys fishing or simply sitting by the water. It's a great way to unwind and soak in the natural beauty of the resort. For those looking for a bit of adventure, kayaking is a must-try activity. It's a fun way to explore the water while taking in the stunning surrounding from a completely different perspective. And that brings us to the end of our tour of Castleburn Resort, a place where natural beauty, comfort, and relaxation come together to create an unforgettable experience in the Drakensberg mountain. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel experience.